Welcome to Holistic Wellness 24/7. In today's video, discover how the walnut can provide a host of benefits to your health and wellness. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your well-being. So let's get started on your journey to better health. Can a simple nut hold the key to better health? Don't underestimate the power of the walnut. These unassuming kernels pack a nutritional punch that can revolutionize your well-being. Join me as we explore the incredible health benefits of walnuts and discover how this small change can make a big difference in your life. We'll delve into the science behind these nutritional powerhouses, from their potent antioxidants to their brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. Get ready to uncover the secret weapon for a healthier, happier you, the mighty walnut. We live in an era plagued by chronic diseases. Heart disease, obesity, and diabetes are becoming increasingly common. Our modern lifestyles often include processed foods, sugary drinks, and a lack of physical activity. These factors contribute significantly to the rise of these preventable diseases. It's clear that our diet plays a crucial role in our overall health. What we consume directly impacts our risk of developing these chronic conditions. The good news is that making positive changes to our diet can have a profound impact on our well-being. Walnuts are nutritional powerhouses brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. One standout feature is their exceptionally high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are vital for protecting our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, also known as ALA. Omega-3s are renowned for their heart-healthy benefits, reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. They also play a crucial role in brain health and development. In addition to their antioxidant and omega-3 content, walnuts provide a good dose of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. They are also a good source of essential minerals like magnesium, which is vital for regulating blood pressure. Brain food, walnuts for enhanced cognitive function. Walnuts have earned a reputation as brain food, and for good reason. These small, wrinkled nuts are packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit our brain health. Their unique composition of nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, makes them particularly beneficial for cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of our brain cells. DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid found in walnuts, is a major structural component of our brain cells. It helps in the formation of neuronal membranes and supports synaptic plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory. Studies have shown a link between DHA intake and improved cognitive performance, including memory and learning. Regular consumption of walnuts can help enhance these cognitive functions, making them an excellent snack for students and professionals alike. Walnuts also contain melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep-wake cycles. Melatonin is naturally produced by our bodies, but consuming foods rich in melatonin, like walnuts, can help improve sleep quality. Getting enough sleep is crucial for optimal brain function, and melatonin's presence in walnuts may contribute to better sleep quality. A good night's sleep can enhance memory consolidation and cognitive performance, making walnuts a perfect evening snack. Scientific studies have backed up these claims, demonstrating that regular walnut consumption can lead to improvements in memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. Researchers have found that the antioxidants in walnuts help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Researchers believe that the combination of antioxidants, omega-3s, and other beneficial compounds in walnuts work synergistically to protect the brain from age-related decline. Including walnuts in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your brain health and enhance cognitive function. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, consider reaching for a handful of walnuts. Whether you enjoy them on their own, sprinkled on a salad, or mixed into your favorite dish, walnuts can provide a delicious and nutritious boost to your brain health. Remember, it's not just about eating walnuts occasionally. Making them a regular part of your diet can have long-term benefits for your cognitive function. So, let's make walnuts a staple in our daily routine and give our brains the nourishment they deserve. In conclusion, walnuts are more than just a tasty snack. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can support and enhance our cognitive function. From improving memory and learning to promoting better sleep, the benefits of walnuts are truly remarkable. So let's embrace the power of walnuts and give our brains the best possible care. My Walnut Week, a personal journey to wellness. Intrigued by the science behind walnuts' health benefits, I embarked on a personal experiment, incorporating walnuts into my daily diet for a week. Walnuts are known for their rich nutrient profile, including omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential vitamins and minerals. I wanted to see firsthand how these nutrients could impact my overall health and well-being. I was curious to see if I would experience any noticeable changes in my own well-being. Would I feel more energetic? Would my mood improve? These were the questions I hoped to answer through this week-long journey. I started by adding a handful of walnuts to my breakfast yogurt. This simple addition not only enhanced the nutritional value of my meal, but also made my breakfast more enjoyable. The combination of creamy yogurt, sweet berries, and crunchy walnuts was a delightful way to start the day. Their crunchy texture and slightly earthy flavor added a satisfying twist to my morning routine. I found myself looking forward to breakfast each day, knowing that I was fueling my body with wholesome ingredients. I also experimented with adding chopped walnuts to salads, stir-fries, and even baked goods. The versatility of walnuts made it easy to incorporate them into various meals. Whether it was a fresh garden salad, a hearty stir-fry, or a batch of homemade muffins, walnuts added a nutritious boost and a satisfying crunch. After a few days, I noticed a positive shift in my energy levels. I felt more invigorated during my morning jogs and found it easier to stay active throughout the day. This newfound energy motivated me to maintain a consistent exercise routine, further enhancing my overall well-being. I felt more alert and focused throughout the day. Tasks that once seemed daunting became more manageable, and I found myself approaching work and personal projects with a clearer mind. This mental clarity was a welcome change, allowing me to be more productive and efficient. While this could be attributed to other factors, I believe the consistent intake of walnuts played a role in boosting my cognitive function. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and other nutrients in walnuts may have contributed to this improvement. Overall, my Walnut Week was a rewarding experience, and I plan to continue incorporating walnuts into my diet as part of my ongoing journey to wellness. Weaving walnuts into your daily routine. Incorporating walnuts into your diet is easier than you might think. These nutrient-packed nuts are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, making them a perfect addition to a variety of meals and snacks. Whether you're looking to boost your breakfast, enhance your lunch, or create a satisfying snack, walnuts can seamlessly fit into your daily routine. Their versatility makes them a welcome addition to countless meals and snacks. From sweet to savory dishes, walnuts can elevate the flavor and nutritional profile of your food. Imagine adding a handful of walnuts to your favorite dishes and experiencing the delightful crunch and rich, nutty flavor they bring. Sprinkle chopped walnuts onto your morning cereal or yogurt for a nutritious and crunchy start to the day. This simple addition not only enhances the taste, but also provides a good source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your overall health. For a more substantial breakfast or snack, try adding walnuts to homemade granola bars or energy bites. These portable and convenient options are perfect for busy mornings or as a quick pick-me-up during the day. Plus, making your own granola bars allows you to control the ingredients and customize them to your taste preferences. Their nutty flavor pairs perfectly with oats, dried fruits, and seeds. You can create a delicious and nutritious breakfast bowl by combining these ingredients. The combination of textures and flavors will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Walnuts also make a fantastic addition to salads, adding a satisfying crunch and a boost of healthy fats. Whether you're making a simple green salad or a more elaborate grain bowl, walnuts can enhance the overall taste and nutritional value. Try pairing them with fresh vegetables, fruits, and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing and wholesome meal. If you're looking for a savory snack, try toasting walnuts with your favorite herbs and spices. This easy preparation method brings out the natural flavors of the walnuts and adds an extra layer of taste. You can experiment with different seasonings like garlic powder, cumin, or even a touch of cayenne pepper for a spicy kick. A sprinkle of smoked paprika or rosemary can transform plain walnuts into a flavorful treat. These seasoned walnuts can be enjoyed on their own or used as a topping for soups, salads, and even roasted vegetables. The possibilities are endless and the result is always delicious. Walnuts can also be ground into a meal and used as a gluten-free alternative to breadcrumbs in recipes. This versatile ingredient can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, from coating chicken or fish to adding texture to baked goods. By incorporating ground walnuts into your cooking, you can enjoy the benefits of this nutritious nut in a whole new way. Walnuts, small change, big impact. The evidence is clear. Incorporating walnuts into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards better health. From boosting heart health and brain function to improving mood and promoting healthy digestion, the benefits of these nutritional powerhouses are undeniable. Scientific studies have consistently demonstrated the positive impact of walnut consumption on various aspects of our well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your cholesterol levels, enhance your cognitive function, or simply boost your intake of essential nutrients, walnuts are a smart choice. Making small changes to our diets can have a ripple effect on our overall health. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods like walnuts, we're providing our bodies with the building blocks they need to thrive. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more content and check out my daily community posts for updates on how to optimize your well-being.